Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be trying HYDRAFACIal at-home tool. This is the device I bought from Temu. I paid around 17.56 cents. That is like around 18 euros. And there is like different cleaning sections here. This one has deep cleaning, normal, and white. I think the white one is the most soft and the easiest way to use for my skin type, as I have very dry skin. And then there is normal one, which is the mode where you can turn on for combination to normal skin types, and for the deep clean, it's for the oily skin types. So here, as you can clearly see, that I added like a clear water. It's like clean water, and this side I accidentally put some water, but this is the section where it kind of puts all the dirt and impure water which has been scavenging out the dead skin as well as blackheads, whiteheads from the skin. You can just press it and then it turns on, and this is like how the water is going out and in. And yeah, this is quite like interesting device. I really wanted to try it. So I'm going to use this over here and wanted to show you like how it works on the skin. Neo, my dog is curious. Yeah, so I can see that the water is coming. It is quite intense, and this can leave redness on the skin. Oh yeah, I also wanted to show you I have like different mouths here. This one is like a bigger mouth, smallest mouth. It's for reaching out to the places where you can't easily be reaching with the biggest mouth. This is the biggest mouth here. This one, I'm using it on my face as it covers a lot of surface. Before I could start, I would request you all to follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer as well as a YouTuber to grow and reach out to millions of crowd to teach them how does the skincare formulation actually work. Okay, so let's begin with the face. It's turned on. I'm gonna go for a very sensitive skin condition, that is like the white one, and then I'm going to work on my T-zone area, which is my nose. Actually, it has a depuffing effect, which is excellent for the skin who has like swollen face, and it kind of like removes all the impurities from your pores. This machine claims that it helps with the cleaning of the pores, the clogged pores, blackheads, as well as dead skin layer, and it helps to shrink the enlarged pores, or using it for persistently for good 4-5 months. So it does claim a lot of stuff which is like really intense, and you can see my skin has gone red. This is intense. This is like, oh my god. I can actually see like dirt and debris being collected on this side. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is like cleaning it thoroughly. I do see like some particles as compared to this side of water. I do see that this machine is doing its job. It is thoroughly cleaning it, but it's leaving my skin extremely red, and I'm like darker skin type. It should not do the same for me, but it is doing like a very good job in cleaning my skin. But at the same time, it is kind of being very, very harsh, and it is also kind of leaving my skin red. One thing is that the water is dripping from here. It is kind of leaking. I don't know if you can see the water droplet just fell. So this is kind of a negative side about it, but I'm happy that it is doing its job properly. Now to moving on, you can see like this side is totally red, means I worked on it properly, and now this side is to go. I am like trying not to bend the machine as it can leak it, so I'm just trying to keep it as straight as possible. I have cleaned my face. I'll try to show it like this. You see the side where it is getting collected, the dirty water, it's a little bit whitish in color. I haven't used anything on my face, trust me. I just washed my face thoroughly. I used the micellar cleanser to wash my face and also with a face wash, and look at it, it is still dirty. This machine does a good job in thoroughly cleaning your skin, and usually HYDRAFACIAL cost around like 100 euros in Lithuania to get a treatment done. And they do have like different stages where they add like salicylic acid, alpha hydroxy acid to loosen up the dead skin and thoroughly cleanse your face. To be honest, 100 euros to use water as a main source to clean your skin is a lot. And this is excellent because at home you're just paying like 18 euros and getting this machine from Temu and then nicely using it on your face. And I used this before as well. This machine actually helped me with, softening my skin. My skin was feeling like really nice, and it was well tolerating to other ingredients that I was wearing. It did not rupture my skin. But yes, if you have a sensitive skin and you use this mode of deep clean, then it might leave like all the blood clots on the face. Then here you can see right now like all the dirt has been taken out. I mean, I can see the difference clearly, but I don't know if I can show you that. And it's leaking. It is kind of intense on the skin, so my suggestion would be to use it like once a week. And if you have oily skin, then yeah, 2 times a week. But there is nothing special about it. It's just water running like in a nice force, and it's kind of removing all the dirt and impurities from the skin. I can see a lot of impurities here. I wish I could show it better on the camera, but the water is so milky. I see like small strings like dirt. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it is there. It is definitely there. The water was dripping all the time that I was using this, and plus my skin is so red. It was such an intense treatment. Now the question arises, will I do this treatment very often? I really wanted to try this HYDRAFACIAL kit, and I do see that only just the water does a very good job, and it removes all the dirt and impurities, but it leaves my skin extremely red as it is like a strong suction machine. My thoughts are like, yes, I would do it like once a week, not every day, because it's not right to do it every day. But I have seen when I used it before, it does leave my skin a little bit glowy and nice, and it leaves my skin soft. So my thoughts about this machine is that it saves 80% of your money and in one-time purchase. Imagine if the HYDRAFACIAL costs 100 euros, the machine costs around 18 euros. You're saving 88% of your money, and this you can use it like every time. You can use it like once a week, and you just have to just fill a clean water and it does its job. But yes, it is quite intense. If you have extremely dry eczema prone skin and you can't well tolerate to the suction that it has, I would not suggest it for you all. Please don't use it if you have extremely dry skin or eczema prone skin. Please don't use this machine. It is good for the people who have like dry and to normal oily skin. It is excellent for you guys. Even acne prone skin should not use it, as it is very powerful and it can hurt you because you have like active acne on your skin, and then this machine is kind of pulling it, removing that dirt. It will just lead to more hyperpigmentation marks. Just don't use this machine if you have acne prone skin. But this does a good job. I like it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm so red, and yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed this HYDRAFACIAL. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to me and also share this video with your friends. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.